ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೆಸನ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, and today this part is a ninth part of a spoken Kannada lesson, and this mainly focus for the beginners and intermediates. You can also start with this one. So here we will be learning a few vocabulary, matte we all know that we will be learning the sentences also. Okay, let's start ivattina learning. So ivattu first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? First word that I'm going to learn is, it also a sentence, I got it, I found. So that would be ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಕೀ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, I got my bag, I found my bag. So that is ಸಿಕ್ತು. Now if you want to ask and make it into questioning form of this one, did you find the mobile? Did you find the laptop? Did you find the place? Did you find that address? So it will be sikta. So this is the answer. Found it, I got it, and other one is a question of it, sikta. Now I want to say I didn't find it, I didn't get it. So siglilla. So it is not siklilla, it's siglilla. Siglilla also we can say it, but most commonly we'll avoid that one, siglilla. So we'll always go with the siglilla. We won't mostly say with the siklilla. Okay, so siglilla. So the questioning form of this is not siglilla. So there is a small twist in this one. Siglilva will be the questioning. So didn't you find the address? Address siglilva, bike siglilva, mobile siglilva. So that's how you will learn. So siktu, sikta. So alli don't say sigtu. Okay na? Sigtu is right actually, but spoken version alli it's a siktu. Ashte. Siktu is a right one. Sigthu is a right one. So nothing wrong in that one. Next one is I didn't find. So I didn't find is siglilla. Both ellanu different irutte. So please observe. So this will be the didn't, siglilla. I'm not finding anything. Siktilla. So here it is a siktilla. So I'm not finding. Okay. So sigalla. Won't find. You won't find that place. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕೀಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ this is how we use it. I hope you are understanding this one. Okay na? So next set ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. In the next set ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is I remember. Yes, I remember that address. Yes, I remember you. Yes, I remember your phone number. Yes, I remember our anniversary. So then you would say ನಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. ನಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. So this is the answer. So what will be the question? ನಿನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? Do you remember? ನಿನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ನೀನಿವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆ್ಯನಿವರ್ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ನೌ, ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ನೌ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ನಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. Do remember. Question form. ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತಾ? You remembered or what? ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತಾ is a question form. So if you observe ಇಲ್ಲಿ, wherever you have a oo sounding, the question form will become ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So wherever you have a like this, siglilla, then it will become siglilva ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So that is a very common thing that you can just, it's like a hint. You can remember one. Okay. Next, I'm not able to remember. I kept somewhere. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I'm not able to remember it. ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇಟ್ಟೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಲೀವ್. ನಿನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆನಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. You won't remember. You won't remember our anniversary. You won't remember the birthday. ನಿನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವೇಗ್. ನನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. I don't remember properly. Okay. Next one. So if you remember, there is something that we forget also. Alva. So I remembered is I forgot. So I remembered is nenpide. I forgot is martoitu. So please make a note with the English. Avaglene you will understand. The questioning form of this is, you forgot or what? Martoita. Martoita. I forgot is martoitu. Did you forget is martoita. Okay. Next one. I didn't forget. Martilla. Naan martilla. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಮರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಹರ್. ಮರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆನಪು ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So again, wherever you have a tilla, it's a not usage. Okay na? I hope it has been very useful for you. Please revise maadi, repeat maadi. Doubt idre, do let me know in the comment section. Comment maadi and try to elaborate these sentences little bit. Okay na? So go with the sentence. For example, siktu, keys siktu. Nan mane keys siktu. Nan mane keys sikta. So like this, improvise the sentences as you practice. Okay, so meet you all with one more video very soon. Anta helta. Do not forget to share this video with your friends who are already started their learning Kannada language and who are struggling a little bit in getting the language. So thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.